Oh!
This is a black iPhone 15 Pro Max. The back glass is severely shattered. You can see a crack starting from below the camera. We checked the midframe. It has slight wear, but there are no major dents. Let's enter the fan's passcode to check. General about it's a 256GB Chinese version iPhone 15 Pro Max. So why is the 15 Pro Max's back glass said to be the most fragile ever? We're going to test the rear flash and the rear microphone because these components are on the back glass. Many longtime fans have seen me replace back glass on iPhone 14 Pro Max and earlier. Those models required full disassembly to replace the back. Why is that? Any longtime fans know to tell everyone in the comments. If you're still watching, you're a true fan. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and favorite. Thanks for your support. This year, the iPhone 15 Pro Max no longer needs full disassembly for back glass replacement. Instead, it's like opening a screen. After heating, use a screen lifter to open a gap, then use a plastic pry tool. Slide it along the edge of the back glass. Finally, you can open the back glass. You'll see glue only around the edges, none in the center. We'll protect the rear modules. There's a flex cable on the back glass. We disconnect it. Now we can remove the entire back glass. Isn't it easy to replace the iPhone 15 Pro Max's back glass? The back glass includes wireless charging, flash, and rear mic. But is the back glass encrypted? Is there an encrypted chip? First, we clean off the shattered glass at the corners. To prevent small shards from falling inside, we must be very careful. Let's clean off the tiny fragments. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. After ensuring no glass shards remain, we clean off the adhesive around the edges. Also, thanks to everyone who sends me gifts in the comments. Only with smooth, clean edges will the new glass fit perfectly. Let me ask, what phone are you watching my video on? After removing the major glue residue, we handle the finer details. Using a cotton swab and glue remover, we clean up the leftover adhesive. Since the 15 Pro Max back glass is only glued at the edges, not like older models with center adhesive, it shatters easily when dropped. There are pros and cons. This design makes back glass replacement easy, and Apple now provides OEM back glass parts. But there are drawbacks too. After cleaning, we inspect the edges. Because of this, Apple supports diagnostics for back glass on 15 Pro Max. But the official price is often too high for most people, so replacing the back glass post-disassembly is the best choice. We take a back glass from another disassembled 15 Pro Max. Since it's a used part, there's leftover glue on the edges. We clean that too. Is your room as clean as this? After cleaning, we apply a fixing adhesive. Ever had glue stuck on you before? Before installing, we do another dust removal. After that, we install the new back glass, connect its only flex cable, screw in the fixing screw, peel off the waterproof adhesive, and the protective tapes around the edges. Final step, close the back glass. Let's discuss in the comments, did Apple do this to sell more back glass or make it easier to replace? After installing the back glass, don't screw the bottom screws just yet. First, place it in the pressure tool. This ensures a perfect seal. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. After pressing, we remove the foam, insert the final 2 screws. Job done. Using this cable that shows charging current, we power it on. After booting, you'll see there's no pop-up warning about back cover replacement. And diagnostic apps won't detect the change either. Now we test all functions: rear flash, rear camera, video, and mic. Finally, thanks again for the gifts you send me in the comments. All tests are fully functional.